Hello traders, in today's video I'll show you on how to create a Forex Trading Real account, and not only that, I'll also show you on how to deposit money and start trading today. Opening a trading account is pretty simple, but it is advisable to first watch someone to do it so that you don't make mistakes, because you don't want to make mistakes when money is involved. So watch this video to avoid making those mistakes. Okay, here's the breakdown of this video. Firstly, I will show you on how to sign up and register on a Forex broker, which will allow us to create a real account. So it's a must that you sign up on a Forex broker. There are plenty of Forex brokers, but I'll show you on how to sign up on the one that I use. Second, I will then show you on how to create a real account on the broker that I've shown you. It's very easy, I'll show you. Thirdly, after we have created our real account, I will also show you on how to deposit money into that trading account. This is the money that you are going to trade with. I will then show you on how to start trading now that you have money deposited into your account. And lastly, I will show you on how to connect or link your real account to Metatrader platform. Okay, let's get things straight. By the end of this video, you will have a red Forex Trading Real account so that you can start trading and make money today. Okay, let's get started. Below this video, there is a link that will take you to the broker we are going to register under. So make sure you click on it. Then on this page, click Start Trading. You will be then taken to this registration page. By the way, the Forex broker that we will be using today is Just Markets. There are so many Forex brokers you can choose from, but for this video, people will use Just Markets. I believe they are one of the best Forex brokers in the market. I already have an account created with this broker, but I will just create a new one so that you can see how to open one. Then at a later stage, I will jump back to my real account that I already have. So here, select the country of your residence, then enter your real email, and lastly, create a password that you'll use to log in here. Then tick this box if you are not from USA, and then click Create Account. Your account will be then opened. Okay, now before you do anything here, first go to your email. Just Markets will send you an email to verify your email address. So click Confirm Email. Okay, now we have signed up on this broker, so now we'll be able to create our Forex Real account and deposit money so we can start trading. But before you do that, on your left side bar under Profile, click on Personal Data. Here you need to enter your personal information, and please make sure you enter your correct details here to avoid facing errors when you want to withdraw money. These steps will be easy to do, there's nothing difficult. For the tax identification number, it's not compulsory to enter it, but if you have it, you can enter it. Many Forex brokers, as part of profile verification, they usually ask for your ID and proof of address before they allow you to create a trading account and deposit money. But here on Just Markets, it's different. If you are going to deposit funds less than $2,000, there's no need for ID document and proof of address. So if you're going to deposit money that is less than $2,000, there's no need for ID document or a proof of address. But if you are going to deposit money that's more than that, you will need to upload your ID document and also your proof of address. Okay, now let me jump into my real account and show you on how to create your trading account, your real account, by the way. Under Account Operations, click on My Accounts, then open New Account. You can then choose Metatrader 5 or Metatrader for MT5 or MT4 platform. MT4 is fine. Then now you have to choose the type of real account you want to create. If you're a professional trader, you can choose the one you prefer, but if you're a beginner or intermediate, you just want to get started with trading, then standard account is fine for everyone, and most people choose it. I also trade with the standard account. So click on Open Real Account. Okay, now let's quickly set up our real account. First, choose the base currency for this account. You can choose any currency available here, like the euro, the pound, or the South African rand. But USD is fine for me. Then here the leverage, you can put it at 1:3,000, especially if you are going to trade with very small funds. If you have a lot of capital, it's also fine. Lastly, create your trading password that you will use to log into this account, and then click Create Account. Okay, now at this point we have created our Forex Trading Real Account. What's left is to link this account that we have just created to Metatrader 4, such that when you want to trade, you can just log into Metatrader 4 and then start trading. If you don't have Metatrader 4 on your PC or laptop, you need to download one. You can do so by clicking on the install MT4 for Windows and then do the installation. It's very easy, but if you can't do it by yourself, I have made a good video showing you on how to do it. To find that video, go into the description of this video and you'll find it there. Watch it and then come back to this video and continue. If you already have Metatrader 4 installed in your laptop, then you are sorted. Open your Metatrader 4. Under Files in your top left corner, click on Open an Account. Okay, now what you see on my screen is a list of trading servers of all the brokers I use. I'm sure yours is empty, so you have to add the one that we want. How do you find which server belongs to your account? To find the server of your account, go to the page displayed after you created your account. In this case, here is mine. If that server is not listed here, then click on this green plus icon and search just Forex or just markets, and then click scan. Your server should then appear. Make sure that they match or else it won't work. Select your server and click next. Here click on existing trade account because we've already created our account. Here paste your login number. And here enter the password you created for this trading account and then click finish. Your trading account will be then connected to Metatrader 4, meaning that you can now trade using Metatrader. As you can see, here is your account balance. It is on 0 now, meaning we cannot trade, so we have to make a deposit to this account, then we are done. With this broker, you can deposit any amount from $10 and above. Let me show you on how to deposit money to this account first so that we can start trading. So to deposit money, click on my accounts and click deposit next to the account we just created. Here on the account, make sure the account we just created is selected here, and here choose any deposit method that suits you. The popular deposit method, I think, is the Visa or MasterCard, since most people have debit or credit cards. This step is very easy, anyone can do it. I wish I could show you, but it's very personal information that I have to put in here, so it's safe that I don't show you. I hope you'll be able to do it by yourself. Okay, as you can see, I'm done deposit money to my account. I deposited $10, as you can see, there it is. And if I also go to my Metatrader, you'll see that the new balance now is no longer $0, it's now $10. At this point, everything is done. I can start trading anytime and withdraw profits. Let's say now you have made money and now you want to withdraw. It's very simple. Let me show you how you can withdraw your profits. On your Just Markets dashboard, go to my accounts under account operation and click on withdrawal next to the account you want to withdraw from. And here you can enter your account details, and then you will receive your money the following day. It's that simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it helps, and please like it if it helped you and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. It only takes 2 seconds of your time to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Stay profitable. Thank you. And by the way, if you have anything that you need help, I'm very happy to help you. Please just write your comment in the description, and then I'll respond to you and try to help and solve your problem. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate to everyone who have watched this video till this far. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.